Welcome to Dad Talk Network. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Today I'm back in the kitchen with my wife Tracy. So Tracy, what are you making today?
Today we're making Chinese fried rice. It's a recipe you will love. So here we have 3 large eggs beaten. I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of the frozen peas and carrots, the diced peas and carrots. I have a 1/2 cup of scallion, 1/2 cup of diced red pepper, and 2 cups of your favorite meat. I have here diced chicken, but you could also use ham. You can use shrimp, tofu, and what goes really well with this is Spam. If you're a Spam lover, you'll really love this. If you've never tried it, you will still love it. Spam is very good. Diced Spam is good in this recipe. 3 cups of cooked white rice. I have separated 3 tablespoons in its own dish, and then I have 1 tablespoon separated, and I'll explain why I have that separated. And then also I have 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. You don't have to use the sesame oil. I like to use the sesame oil. It just gives it a nice flavor. If not, just substitute that with more vegetable oil. So now I'm going to start by scrambling the egg first. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to let the oil heat up for a few seconds. And then once I scramble the egg, I'm going to transfer it to a separate dish, and then I'm going to incorporate it back a bit later in the stir fry. So my pan was pretty hot before I added the oil, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started with scrambling the egg. Okay, that was quick. I'm going to transfer it. Okay, now I'm adding the 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Let that warm. So I want to make sure I get the oil on the sides of the pan. The scallions. That's a 1/2 cup of scallion, half cup of red pepper. And that sesame oil just smells so good. Let those vegetables get a little soft. So I'm adding the peas and carrots. Add the meat, chicken. I'm going to add the scrambled eggs back into the pan. As I'm adding, I'm breaking it up. Add half the rice in. and begin to mix. The soy sauce, just about half the quantity of soy sauce, and mix. And I'll stir in the remaining rice. Soy sauce. And again, with the soy sauce, we all know that how some people can tolerate soy sauce. If you're one that don't like a lot of sodium, pull back a couple of tablespoons on the, a little bit on the soy sauce. If you're one that likes a lot of soy sauce, squirt a little bit of extra soy sauce onto your rice. Some people that like their fried rice really dark. Me, I'm going to do a quick taste of the rice. I'm going to do a quick taste to see if I want to add a little bit more soy sauce. I think in this case, I might add a couple of extra squirts out of the soy sauce bottle. Serving bowl. Make sure I get some chicken in there.
Okay, so now let's taste it. Okay. Good. I think we may stop ordering out fried rice. This is pretty good. Thank you for watching Dad Talk Network and this episode of Back in the Kitchen with my wife Tracy. Please stay tuned for new upcoming episodes soon, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Thank you.